Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the most affordable carbon fiber video tripod I've ever come across. It's the SmallRig AD-50 tripod. A great choice for those videographers and content creators who need something light, durable, and of course, won't break the bank. With a price tag of just $169, this tripod promises a lot. So let's dive right in and see what it's all about. First, before we get started, I want to take a moment and give a thanks to SmallRig for sending over this tripod for me to review for all of you. The SmallRig AD-50 is a carbon fiber video tripod weighing only 2.8 kilograms or about 6.2 pounds. It's designed with portability in mind, but don't let its lightweight fool you. This tripod is sturdy enough to handle a load of up to 13.2 pounds, which makes it ideal for everything from DSLRs to mirrorless cameras and even heavier video rig setups. One of the standout features of the AD-50 is its adjustable working height, which goes up to 62 inches. This gives you a lot of flexibility, whether you're shooting at eye level or when you need a little bit more elevation. Now let's talk about the fluid head. The AD-50 features a stepless dampening fluid head, which means you get super smooth pans and tilts. Whether you're shooting fast action or slow cinematic movements, this will help you deliver silky smooth results every single time. It also comes with a detachable handle, which is great for controlling your shots more precisely. This little detail can make a big difference, especially during those shoots that require more refined control over your shots. Of course, the build quality is a huge plus. The carbon fiber construction means not only is this tripod incredibly lightweight, but it's also super durable. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel and shooting in different environments. Another great feature is the inclusion of a Manfrotto quick release plate. This makes switching between handheld, gimbals, and tripod setups a breeze, saving you time and effort on set. Now, SmallRig didn't just stop at the basics. The AD-50 comes with a few extra features that really stand out. First, there's a lift rope attached to the center column, making it easier to carry. Plus, it includes a smartphone holder, perfect for those times when you want to mount your phone and capture some quick BTS video footage to post on social media. The package includes the tripod itself, an Allen wrench for adjustments, a smartphone holder, and a storage bag. Everything you need to get started right away. So, what's the verdict? For $169, the SmallRig AD-50 carbon fiber video tripod offers incredible value. It's lightweight, durable, and packed with features that make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned videographers. The fluid head, quick release plate, and extra features like the lift rope and smartphone holder makes the tripod the best carbon fiber tripod in its price range, bar none. If you're looking for a tripod that's easy to carry, that's versatile, and won't break the bank, well, this one is definitely worth checking out. Of course, I'll leave a link for you to check out the SmallRig tripod for yourself. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and you already know, smash the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.